Hi everybody, welcome back to Tam Predicts, and this is another reading. I am going to do what will happen in your life to you or whatever in next 48 hours. It's a timeless reading, guys. So whenever you're listening to it, just think that whatever's going to happen in next 48 hours is what I wanted to do. So there are three fans to choose from. There is a pink fan, which will be pile number one. The pile number two is your blue fan, and for the third pile, I have a purple fan. So first pile is pink fan, blue fan, and then a purple fan. Guys, I haven't taken out the cards and kept them in a pile. I'm going to shuffle them and give you messages. So I'm going to start with the first pile, which is the pink fan. Let me see what are the messages that I want to channel and want to give you. So I don't know why, but I got attracted to these three fans lying with me, and I wanted to do a reading. So I'm starting now. Let's see what is the message for fan number one, which is the pink fan. That's the first pile. In 48 hours, I feel not working with someone, working against someone. I feel two people will not agree on something. If you're working somewhere, I also feel more than two people, you're not going to agree on a project, or you're not going to agree on an idea, or you're not going to agree on some terms. I get even money terms. So there is a disagreement between two and three people. That's going to happen between 2 hours, and you will have a verbal kind of a fight with the person not agreeing. I feel it should be a healthy fight. It's a healthy, I'm going to say a healthy argument. So it's not that the swords and knives will be out, but I think it's going to be a healthy argument, and you will reach some decision. But I feel hostility or whatever it is, exchange of words, heated words between two or more people is what I get in the next 48 hours if you've chosen the pink fan. I also get I'm dealing with an earth sign. If you've chosen pile number one, you are an earth sign. I also get water sign suddenly. I get earth and water. I think either earth is seeing water, water signs are water sign is seeing somebody who's an earth sign, and I also feel that there will be some kind of a healing around you. It's like having probably something to do with roots, something that comes from earth, what we grow. It's like having a ginger tree. I don't know why. Okay, I said a tree. So it is something related to a tree, fruits of a tree, or medicine from a tree that's going to heal you. I also get ginger. I get a lot of garlic. Although I get a lot of ginger right now, I also get some kind of a plant. Something is going to relax you. Either you're going to have it in your tea or probably in water. But there is something coming from Mother Earth, or which will act as a kind of a miracle drug for you and will relieve you of some of the symptoms that you have been facing. So I believe something from the earth is going to heal you guys. That's what I get. And I also get water and earth signs seeing each other, or I get harmony. If you two are seeing, are in a relationship, I get more like harmony and peace and contentment. I don't get any kind of a fight or any kind of a feeling, any, hostile feeling towards each other. If you've been burdened about a situation, it's going to clear out in 48 hours. Remember that. Anything that was burdening you, you were feeling, like the weight of a whale, it was like tons and tons of weight has been lifted off your head. You're going to feel like that in the coming 48 hours. If it was a money situation, a love situation, something is going to get resolved. And I wanted to say revolve. So your whole life right now is revolving around one situation, and it's going to heal. The situation is going to be over. You're going to feel light. It's like almost coming, to the surface and breathing. After a long, long time, you've been troubled by this problem. I get troubled waters. I'm seeing water here, and I get troubled word. I feel troubled waters. It's about being in troubled waters, and some situation is going to clear up, or any misunderstandings that you had is going to get cleared up in the next 48 hours. Is what I get. A lot of you are still working hard towards achieving, and I feel achieving something beautiful. I get creativity. You've been just making paintings. You've been doing something very creative, but not getting the result. I also get. I don't know if I'm talking to one of you, two of you. Remember, I always say it's a general reading, and it's not a specific reading. But one of you or two of you have destroyed your artwork. I don't know. It's a very different card. I interpret this card very differently every time I hold it. All the cards I do, so it has nothing to do with Lotus. I don't know why I wanted to say this, that you have destroyed something that you created. I don't know if it makes sense. You'll know better, because it might be resonating or sitting well in your situation. So something that you've been creating, you've destroyed it. You're not very happy with the outcome. You're going back to the drawing board is what I get. It could be an idea, could be painting, it could be anything that you created. Not very happy about it, And it could be your look also, probably a change in look, or something that needed some kind of a creativity, and you're not really happy with the transformation, you're not very happy with your creativity. I also feel you've just destroyed your painting. I don't know why I want to say it again and again. It's a message that has to be delivered again and again. That's what I feel. That I think you will start afresh. You'll start a new, it will be a new painting that you'll do, or whatever. You'll start again, is what I get, because you weren't really happy with the results. I don't know why I want to say a broken promise. It's come reversed. It's not upright. So some kind of a broken promise is going to happen in 48 hours. Somebody is going to break away from you. Somebody promised something that they'll be with you, or they'll come back into your life. But I feel that's not going to happen. It's a broken promise, guys. I get that feeling. I get a very hard, a very heavy feeling when I'm holding this card. In 48 hours, you're not going to have a very good news if it's all about, somebody who's just made promises to you, committed to you. I feel the person is going to break away, or the person is not going to be in your life anymore. That's the kind of feeling that I get. Just going to change my deck. Let me see what are the other cards. I'm using the energy deck after a long time. I don't know why I wanted to use this today. I'm telling you, a contract is broken. Some kind of a contract was there between you two. I get between two people, a relationship. We've been seeing each other for more than 6 months, around 6 months. I get a big number six. Either you are a big number, you are a number six, or the other person is a number six, and it's something to do with number six. And somebody is breaking a contract they had with a loved one. It's also breaking a contract probably in a job. You probably told the boss that you're not going to leave, but in between you got another job which pays better, is giving you a good position, a good designation, good responsibilities. You suddenly broken some kind of a contract, or you wanting to break a contract, and you know that you are bound by a contract. That's what I get in the pink fan. Walking away, yeah. One of you did walk away, or will walk away. So if it's not happened right now, it's going to happen in 48 hours, or you are thinking about walking away. I'm talking about the present right now, but you're thinking about walking away, and you will walk away. Somebody who's a number nine, or you're walking away from a number nine, or you've been seeing each other for 9 months is also what I get. So like the other cards were also saying, I think one of you will break the promise is what I get. A woman is thinking. Crown chakra hurting, the area, the eye chakra hurting, a lot of burden. Next 48 hours, you've got a decision to make. I don't know why I want to say this. If your name starts with M, if your name starts with J, if your name starts with K, I also get a big C, that you are going to make a decision very soon. That's what I get, guys. You've been thinking a lot. You're still doing your thinking, and in 48 hours you're going to do more thinking is what I get. Whatever situation, I don't know if it's a job situation, it's a money situation, or it's a relationship problem, family problem, but this period is about thinking, and in next 48 hours you're going to think a lot. It's like your life depends on this decision. I don't know why I want to say this, but yes, that's the message that I wanted to give you. What are the romance angel cards saying? I want to give you two messages from the romance angel cards. Let me see what are the messages. Separation, guys. I was right. There is something happening. Promises are not being kept in this pile number one. If you've chosen the pink fan, there is separation, there will be separation. Or you are thinking about separation, you don't want this any longer. Or I get it's more you. I don't know about the other person, but I'm getting you, whoever is watching this. This is not about a cross watcher, but if you're cross watching, but I think you are going to tell the other person. Maybe that's the thinking you've been doing for 48 hours. You're going to do this thinking for the next 48 hours, then you're going to announce what you feel inside, and you're going to tell the other person that, hey, it's not working, it's not going to work, so let's go our separate ways. So that's what I get. I get a separation, yes. Guys, remember, general reading, it might not resonate, might resonate. Few messages might resonate. There was chemistry. I want to say there was chemistry. I'm not going to count it in the next 48 hours. I don't know why I wanted to say that. There was chemistry, and in the next 48 hours, you're going to judge whether there is chemistry left or not. I think that's what you're going to judge on. Yes, or does she really get attracted to me? Is there any more attraction? Or in the next 48 hours, I get you thinking that, will that chemistry ever come back? Will that attraction ever come back? Also thinking that, is he really attracted to me? Is there any chemistry in our relationship? Is there any why should I go ahead with this when I feel no chemistry? So that's what I get. So that was for the pink fan. Let me see if any other message. I want to take this top card. I got thinking again. So you are going to think a lot next 48 hours. It's all about making a decision, a very important decision. Maybe your whole life rests on it. That's the decision you need to make. I feel in next 48 hours, a lot of you would really want to apply for a visa, go abroad, or you're trying to find out ways which takes you away from where you reside right now, or whichever country you are in. You really want to go somewhere else. That's what I feel, and you are really looking outward. It's like you don't want to stay where you are. You don't want to stick to that place. You want to move ahead, move away. Also, getting a job where you have to travel abroad. It's going to come soon. It's going to come in next 48 hours, guys, for a lot of you. So this was the reading for the pink fan. Let's see what the blue fan is going to say. Yes, let's see the blue fan. I was just doing this. It's hot right now. So let me take the pile. Yes, this is for the blue fan. I don't know why I said fan. So this is for the blue fan, pile number 2. What are the messages? What are the messages? This pile also starts from this. I think the first pile started from the same card. So pile number 2 also not working with somebody. It's not working. I don't know why I'm getting that word again and again. It's not working with you. It's like almost telling the person, can't make music together. It doesn't sound like music. Your voice doesn't sound like music to me anymore. I am getting irritated. So these are two people who do not want to stay with each other, guys. This is a general reading. There will be a lot of messages. Not all messages might resonate, but I feel this is one of you talking that there is no harmony. Why there is no music. Your sound is irritating. I don't know why I get that. You just told the person, or you will be telling the person in the next 48 hours that I cannot stand you, and I don't want to be with you. This is the first card I got in the other pile also. So let me see if all the messages are kind of similar, or there are different messages for you. Something has come to full completion. Maybe you've left the person, or you are going to leave the person in next 48 hours. If it's about a relationship or a job, it will your I want to say your time there is over now in the next 48 hours. You are not meant to be wherever you are right now. That is not your place, because you've completed your time here. I don't know if it's about karma or whatever it is, but you've whatever time you have to be there for, how many years duration, I don't know, like months, but I feel it's all coming into completion in next 48 hours, and you're going to move ahead from there. It is, you are going to change your residence. You are going to be with someone new. You're going to drop somebody old who's been in your life. Old doesn't mean old person, but somebody you've been seeing. Something is coming a full circle for you. Also, I also get the words a lesson has been taught to someone. You've not got the lesson, but you've taught a lesson to someone. I don't know, or you're going to teach that lesson to someone in 48 hours. So something will come into completion. I get a lot of karma in this card. It's almost like, you saying, you were bad to me, so this is what I'm doing to you, and this is now what is this what the situation is, and karma is getting it's going to bite you back, because that's how you behave with me, is what I get. And I feel one of you, a few of you have used this word karma. If you've just picked up blue fan, I don't know why I want to say this. Yes, be vigilant. In 48 hours, you're going to be vigilant about something. Not trusting someone, which is a good thing. You're not going to trust someone, is what I get. If anybody who tells you that they weren't in the wrong, or they did the right thing to you, you're not going to trust that person anymore, because you feel the person doesn't say the truth, and that's what you don't like. And probably you've caught the person red-handed a lot of times. I don't know if it's your boss, it's relationship, but it is something that you will not trust anymore. Someone you will not trust anymore. I don't know if it's your boss, or an employee who was working with you, stabbed you at a bag in your back, but not trusting someone is again what I get. And I also get earth. I also get earth energy, and I get earth energy and fire energy. Two signs that I get, two elements that I get for the zodiac. Wanting to release someone, 48 hours you're going to make your decision. I feel you really release the person. If somebody's been in your life, has been troubling you, you're not trusting the person anymore. I don't know why I get a trust issue in this the second pile. It's all about trusting, and I feel you've released the person. This hasn't come upright. This is sorry, I'm just adjusting myself. This hasn't come upright. It's come reverse. So if it was upright, I would have said you've already released. But I think you've released the person in your mind, and this is what you're going to do in the next 48 hours. You're going to release the person from your life, and I feel it's going to make you feel much better, guys. Remember, this is a general reading. I always say that. Do whatever is right for you. You know your situation. Be best. A lot of you going back to the past, how beautiful the past was. Something is taking you back to the past. Also, I feel a lot of you are dreaming about another world, that you did, you were someone else in the past life. I don't know why I get a lot of past life. I get a lot of karma happening with this one, dreaming about the past life, that you've been somewhere in another land many, many, many lives back, and you feel you don't belong to this place. I also get that. A lot of you have this feeling that, I really don't belong to this place, and am a light worker or a star seed, or someone else, and I'm just here on earth, and this is not where I live. So I get a lot of you getting these kind of feelings or these kind of messages in your head is what I get. Purification, need to purify your mind in the next 48 hours, and I think whatever you're going to release in your life will make you feel lighter. It's almost crying a lot. I don't know why I want to say you want to release the person, it will hurt you. You want to release the job, something you're really attached to, something you were really attracted to. I'm going to say really attracted to. In next 48 hours, you're going to make a lot of decisions. I feel a lot of crying happening here. I feel your heart is going to be very heavy, but I think you're going to make a decision very soon about someone or something or any job or any situation that you are in. You think if you're resonating with this reading, so I think you are going to release the person. You're going to release negativity, and I feel a lot of crying. I feel a lot of you'll feel lighter after you cried. I don't want you to cry just because I'm saying, guys, in the next 48 hours, that's what I pick up. That there'll be a lot of crying and wailing and howling, but that's going to make you feel lighter. Probably, I also feel a lot of you are accepting the situation right now. Victory will be yours, but not in 48 hours. Whatever you wanted will be yours, but not in 48 hours, is what I get. I get 11 number, I get 18 number. So if you're 11 number, 18 number, 18 number, I said lover. This card is for you. Something to do with the lover. This is, if all of them are, mostly becoming love readings. I don't know why, because I did a love reading in the evening and I uploaded it. Let me see. Three after 48 hours, you are going to get a news that will make your next 3 months beautiful, is what I get. So after in within 48 hours, you'll get a news where 3 months, next 3 months will be taken care of. I don't know if it's a financial situation. I really get a financial situation. So anything that you will do in the next 48 hours will take you towards prosperity in the next 3 months, and you don't have to worry about your financial situation. Maybe it's a big deal. Maybe you have cracked a deal, and it's going to help you in the next 48 hours. And there'll be a deal in the next 48 hours, and it will help you. I want to say in the next 3 months. So I also want to say next 48 hours. I don't know why, because it's a channel message. So probably in next 48 hours also you might get that deal. If you're a three number, you're waiting for someone for long. You want to hear from someone. That's what I feel. You're not spoken to the person. You're really longing for the person to reach out to you, is what I get. Feeling really empty hearted, feeling lonely in 48 hours. This is how you're going to feel. Really waiting for someone. You've been waiting for someone. I think next 2 days you're going to spend waiting for someone. And I feel the person will call you, will get in touch with you, but it will take time. It's not going to be, it's going to be more than 48 hours. That's what I feel, especially if you're a number three. A lot of you did have a problem with your stomach area. I also get liver. I get stomach more, and I feel stay away from yellow color. I don't know why, but yes, I want you guys to stay away from yellow color. Let me see what are the romance cards saying for you. I've been using them in my readings, and I really love these cards. So let's see what are they saying for you. Make the effort. You got to make the effort in the relationship, guys. So if you're dealing with someone, and if somebody is acting difficult, guys, I really feel you are the one who's going to make the effort. The other person is not going to come forward. So if you're listening to this reading and you thought, should I make the effort? Yes, you have to make the effort. The other person will not make any effort. You're the one. Let go of control issues. So a lot of you are getting this control issues. You're controlling your I feel project also. You're controlling your loved one because these are love cards. I don't know why I wanted to say a project. You're controlling your project so much you're not delegating your work. Guys, please delegate your work is what I get. And if it's a relationship, if the situation is about a relationship because this is a love card, I want to say don't control it so much. If you control it, the person is going to go. Just let the person be. For the next 48 hours, don't get in touch with the person. Okay, don't control the person. Don't message the person. Don't call the person. The way the person will react to you, you will know how your relationship is going or what the person has on his or her mind. I'm going to take out one more card. I don't know why I have a feeling I have to give you one more message here. Separation. For a lot of you, it's separation. Even in the first one that I did, this card did come. It is the same card that's come again. I don't know why. So for some of you, it's a separation. Okay, remember that. If you've been feeling that yes, the relationship is not working out, probably you are feeling the right thing. I want you to listen to your gut. That's what I always say. Please listen to your gut, guys. It tells you what to do, what not to do. Sometimes it's the best guidance in the world. Always remember that. Okay. So I'm going to move on to the third fan. I'm going to show you the third fan. It's actually I said a purple, but I feel it's a royal blue, kind of a blue. But now I'm going to go with purple because I said purple. So the purple one, yeah, it's nice. Let's start your reading with the purple fan. Are the messages going to be same? Are they going to be different? They're kind of similar. The pile one and the pile two that I did. I don't know why I want to. Sorry, I'm just adjusting my chair. I don't know why. Why do I think that both the piles were pretty similar? There's separation. There's making an effort. Yeah, in those two terms, it was pretty similar. Karma. I talked about karma in the second pile, but it comes out in the third pile. Maybe it wanted to come out in the second pile. There's something you've been talking about karma. I don't know that this will happen to you because you did this to me. I don't know why am I saying that. I wish you I wish you this because you did this to me. Somebody has been wishing like that, or karma will get you. I also feel that you've said that karma will get you. Somebody's told you, or probably you've been bad to a person, or you've not been fair. Okay, that's what I feel. Or somebody's not been fair with you, and one of you has you have been wishing, that it all comes back. That's what I get. It's like a boomerang, like I always say. It will all come back to you. It's also what you wished, what you've done to the other person. The other person will do the same thing, And I get a lot of karma in this card, though I said a lot about karma in the second pile. Maybe it wanted to be in the second pile, is what I want to say. You will feel very strong next 48 hours. You will have all the strength. If you've taken up a project and you were feeling weak about a situation or in a love situation, you were feeling weak and you didn't have the strength to resolve the situation or to take on somebody who's not been good to you. I get these words in my head. I get mean. I get nasty. So I don't know if it's somebody wishing you like this or you've done something to someone and or karma has gotten back at you and you now are reminiscing, yes, I did this to the other person and that's why I am feeling like this. Probably I also get, probably I'm not well because I did this to someone. I didn't wish well for the other person. I feel next 48 hours you'll feel better. Most of the readings, most of the cards are coming out. I think it's a situation for in most of the piles. They're very similar cards. So vigilance also came out in the other pile. I don't remember which one was it, but yes, please be vigilant in the next 48 hours. Somebody's probably wished bad upon you. You wished bad upon someone. Karma is going to get you. Or going to get the other person. Please don't wish bad for anybody. That's what I want to say. If they have, it's okay. Just wish them, just bless them, just wish them positivity or whatever good things to happen. But yes, just be vigilant about someone in the next 48 hours. I don't know why I want to say that. Just be careful about somebody or choose your words carefully. I also want to say choose your words carefully. Don't say anything wrong to someone. I feel a lot of things are just cooking in your head and in your heart that the person hurt me. I have to say something to the person. Probably you didn't say anything to the person that time, but it's sitting in your head that now I need to get back. After 2 days or whatever. I think you're going to think for 2 days of how to get back to the person. I don't know why I get that, but yes. There were a lot of things that were unclear to you. Now they're getting clearer. Now they will be clearer in 48 hours, is what I get. There was a situation you had no idea it was brewing or it was things were coming up, facts weren't clear, something was very submerged like the iceberg. I'm not going to say it's going to clear out. Right now, the feeling is this. You still are, I feel in the next 48 hours, you still will not be clear about the situation. Yes, I want to say this. It's not going to clear up. I wanted to say it will clear up because this did come reverse, but I still feel there's a lot of information that's hidden from you. I don't know if it's an office scenario also. They haven't really told you everything. I also want you to read the terms and conditions. Probably vigilance was there for that, and that's the thing that's coming to my mind. I want you to read the terms and conditions of any of the job offer letter that you've got or anything that you've got recently or will get in the next 48 hours, 48 days. Okay, consider 48 days. Whenever I have a channel message or whenever my tongue twists, it's a message that needs to come out. So 48 hours and 48 days. Missing a loved one, that's what I get. Not being with a loved one. Next 48 hours, you're going to be away from your loved one. I don't know why I want to say that. You're not going to talk to the loved one, or probably the loved one is not going to reach out to you. So, next 48 hours, I think you're going to really miss someone. It could be a past relationship, could be a family member, there's somebody you've not been in touch with. You're missing someone. I get today also when you're listening to this reading, you've been missing that someone special that you've not been in touch with. Yeah, it's already started, this whole feeling of missing someone. It's going to carry on for the next 48 hours. Next 48 hours, I told you that this is the door to happiness. Not happy in the next 48 hours. I get a little bit sadness, missing the person, also waiting for the person. Waiting for the person, like we normally say, with open doors, with open arms, really waiting for the person to come back or come back to your life. Is it what you're waiting for? 48 hours, maybe you're dealing with a number 7, or you're a number 7, or I feel the person was born in the month of 7, so really waiting for someone to come back. So next 48 hours are crucial for you is what I get. Most of the cards are pretty much similar, so those are the messages for all of you. Maybe in 3 months you will have a lot of money is what I get. Prosperity from something. There'll be abundance. Suddenly in your life there is a fund that will be released, or um, money will come in from somewhere you didn't even know you've put money in. I don't know why I want to say that. Maybe it's a fund. It's something on interest that you put, or you put money somewhere and forgot about it, and that's going to come back to you, and suddenly you'll realize that you did put some money away, and now it's giving you interest, and that interest is good. So in next 48 hours you're going to realize this. Door to value. I'm telling you, money is going to come in. It's not going to go out. Money's been going out. This is your current situation. Money has been going out. In next 48 hours, money is going to come in. Is what I get. I did take this pile. I did use it, but I picked it up because I probably want to give you one more message from here. Not communicating well. In 48 hours, I told you, like, the cards are pretty much similar. Missing somebody, not communicating with the person, really wanting to be with the person. I get a lot of missing with this one. Probably not with the person. Some loved one has passed away recently. Missing that person quite a lot. Wanting to talk because the person is no more, and I don't know. It's like you've not been able to say the things you always wanted to say to them, and you're really wanting to be in touch with them. That's the kind of feeling I get. Let me see what are the romance angel cards saying for you. Flirt. Going to flirt with someone in the next 48 hours. Finally, a different reading. This is nice. So you are flirting with someone, and you're going to flirt with someone in the next 48 hours, and it's going to be kind of a playful relationship, or just going to meet someone. There'll be a lot of flirting, and you'll understand these signals from the other person. I think the person is going to drop hints, or the person is going to send you text messages. Flirting with you in the text messages is what I get. Playfulness. Next 48 hours. So it's either going to be playfulness or flirting. So I think flirting more, playfulness for later. So next 48 hours, more of flirting. And I want to give one more card here. Worth waiting for. So in 48 hours, you're going to meet a person who will be worth waiting for. And you're going to give this relationship some time is what I get. And when I saw the numbers, it was 2929 right now in the counter when I'm recording this. So I don't know what it means. I'm going to check it. 2929, 1111. Guys, 1111 is a wish number. So if you want to wish for a loved one, I feel you are going to get that loved one. So that's what I'm going to take 1111. I'm going to take the repeating number. So I see a lot of 1111 every time, and I don't know if the time right now is 1111. No, it's 10:50. Okay, I just wanted to check the time. So guys, this was the reading. This was for three piles, and pile number one, pile number two, pile number three, and this is for the next 48 hours. What's going to happen in your life? What's coming towards you, or what are the things that are going to happen, or the kind of feelings that you are going to have, or what you're going to think. So I'm going to come be back with another prediction. Do subscribe to my channel, hit the like button, and do comment. Like I always tell you, I always read the comments, and I'll be back again with another reading. Thank you so much for spending your time here, and I'll be back soon. Thank you so much. Bye, guys.